In this video, we're going to learn how to bisect an angle. So to bisect an angle, that means we're going to cut this angle in half with a line. So let's say this angle was 30 degrees. What we would do is we'd be cutting this angle into two 15-degree angles. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is you need to draw an arc that goes through both sides of the angle. So to draw that arc, we're going to put our compass center on point B. And then we're going to pick a hole that we can draw an arc with that'll go through both sides of the angle. So I picked that hole. I'm going to draw that arc. So now what we have here is an arc that intersects both sides of angle B. And so let's look at those 2 points of intersections. We'll call that point A, and we'll call this point C. So our next step to bisect this angle is to then go from these points of intersection and draw 2 more arcs inside of the angle. So we're going to go to point A here. You put your compass center on point A, make sure it's centered right on there. And then we're just going to pick a hole to draw an arc inside the angle. So draw an arc like that. Then what we're going to do, we have to keep in mind the same hole that we just used. So I am using the 6th hole out. So I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to take my compass center, I'm going to put it down on C. Now I'm going to find that 6th hole again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to draw an arc going this way again inside of that angle. So now what I've got is I got 2 arcs inside of the angle, and those 2 arcs intersect at this point. And we can go ahead and call that point Y. So now what I'm going to do with this point of intersection and our vertex of the angle B, I can take those 2 points, and if I connect those up, what that's going to do is that's going to bisect the angle that we have. So let's go ahead and see what that would look like. Draw that line out there. So we got a ray there. And what this ray effectively does is it cuts angle B into 2 angles, YBC and angle YBA. And those 2 angles are going to be 2 congruent angles. So that's bisecting an angle.